This is the 4-point Sheraton located by Tampa Airport Westshore. When you first walk in, they have a couch and a table. It's got wooden floors and it's got some really cute artwork compared to a lot of other hotels. It does feel a little bit dark, but it's got a bit of a posh vibe to it as well. And then on the opposite side is a pretty large screen TV. This is the working area along with the lamp. And then they also provide you with 2 free water bottles. Then as we make our way over here, there is a table for 2. There is also an additional chair here. Then over to the kitchenette area where there is a microwave as well as a fridge. And they also provide recycling buckets as well. Then over here, we do have a mirror as soon as we get out the doorway. And then this is into the bedroom area. There is a bathroom and it is extremely small. It's in very good condition, except this is the only part of the room I would say that along the bottom of the mirror just looks to be a little bit warped or damaged. It's got some cute artwork in here, and then they provide different body soaps, and it is a shower and a tub combo. And for perspective, the shower is fairly high. I'm 5'10" and it's taller than I am. Then as we head out of this room, over to here, there is a closet. And they do have an ironing board as well as additional bedding and some hangers. There's another chair in here. Then they have a dresser, another large television. There is this stool over here, and then they do have what looks to be a patio. However, the doors, or at least the doors in my room, do not open. The view is of a lot of traffic, but you do have some buildings in the distance as well. And then this is the bed area. If we look closer to the nightstands, so this one's more of a traditional table that does have a place to plug in your USB ports. The other side only has a phone and does not have a spot to put in your USB ports. And then they've got some cute artwork in here as well. So then back to the main room. This room was one of the more affordable rooms in the area. It was $129 plus taxes came out to $149. Let me know in the comments if you would stay in this room.